In this video, we are going to install a Windows 10 VM using a light touch deployment. Uh, we already have a VDS server with the installed image and boot image configured, and we already started the server. So now we're going to install a Windows 10 machine. So let me create a new virtual machine from here, and we are going to name it as per the schematics. Alright, I already have one with this name, so we're gonna change it to just a short name. Right, we're gonna select the computer storage, and in the guest list we're just gonna select the Windows 10 64-bit because we created the image file of the Windows 10 machine. So, and for the hardware configuration, I'm just gonna change the type of the hard drive, and I'm gonna select my NAT network from here so I can connect to my server for the deployment. And I'm gonna change the boot option to the BIOS. Here you can see we didn't choose any data store or optical drive for the Windows 10. We're just gonna get the image file from the server. So verify the configurations of the virtual machine, and we're just gonna finish it. Uh, Here you can see our created machine. I'm just gonna power on this machine right now. Right here you can see that the boot file is loading from my DHCP server right now, the server that we created in the virtual Windows deployment services over here with the IP at 10.174.8161, and here you can see the server IP from there. It's gonna take some time. The server is started and it is waiting for the server response that we is gonna download the image file that we created in the VDS. And here you can see it didn't ask me for any language or any which drive to install, nothing at all. It's just started installing Windows on the configuration that we made in our untended XML file. It's gonna take some while, so I'm gonna pause for the second and we're gonna start when it's come to finishing. Now PC is gonna restart in a minute, so that's all. Alright, we're gonna come after the restart. Okay, so machine is starting right now. Okay, so we're just gonna select the region and some basics. Here it doesn't gonna ask me for the any network which network I want to uh, connect, or do I need to create any user or anything. It's just gonna create the username with the Tusha that we created in the configuration of XML file, and I just gotta type the password for it. This is my first time login, so it's gonna take some while. Alright, we are on the desktop now. Here you can see already have Google Chrome and Notepad over here, and here you can see I already connected to the my net network. You can see the IP of the computer. Uh, Here you can see it gets the preferred IP address from the DHCP server, and you can here see the DNS of the computer 10.174.81.60. Okay, now we're gonna check the network is working or not. Just opening any of the sites from the Google. Let's open the site of the college. Alright, we are on the page of the home page of the college website. Right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.